Have you ever dreamed of owning a drone that's so compact it fits in your pocket, yet powerful enough to capture cinematic 4K videos? Well, your wait is almost over. DJI, the world leader in drone technology, is about to release something revolutionary, the DJI Flip. Stay with us, because in just under 3 minutes, we'll reveal how this foldable drone is set to redefine convenience, performance, and affordability in the drone market. Let's start with the design. The DJI Flip boasts a foldable, lightweight frame that's perfect for on-the-go adventures. At just 249 grams, it's incredibly portable and can be carried almost anywhere without hassle. But portability doesn't mean compromising on safety. This drone comes equipped with built-in propeller guards, ensuring protection during transport and use. It's clear that DJI has thought of everything to make this drone not just functional but also user-friendly. What's a great drone without an amazing camera? The DJI Flip is equipped with a powerful 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor, capable of recording stunning 4K videos at 60 frames per second. And with HDR support, your footage will always look vibrant, detailed, and cinematic. Whether you're capturing landscapes, tracking fast-moving subjects, or just shooting for fun, the DJI Flip's camera delivers professional-grade results in a tiny package. Of course, great visuals mean nothing without a stable flight. The DJI Flip is engineered for superior performance. It offers up to 31 minutes of flight time, allowing you to capture more content without interruptions. Plus, its advanced AI-assisted tracking technology ensures smooth and precise movements, making it perfect for both beginners and experienced pilots. It's lightweight yet durable, a rare combination in the drone world. To suit every user, DJI is offering the Flip in a range of bundles. The basic package covers all the essentials, but the advanced options are where things get interesting. With the DJI RC2 remote control and the Fly More combo, you get additional batteries, extra propellers, a charging hub, and a sturdy carrying case. These bundles are designed to give you more flight time and convenience, making sure you're always ready to soar. Now, let's talk numbers. The DJI Flip is expected to start at an affordable €439, or roughly $458 for the basic package. For its advanced features and premium build, this is a price point that's hard to beat. And the best part? You won't have to wait long. It's rumored to launch in January 2025. Mark your calendars, because this drone is shaping up to be a game-changer. The DJI Flip is more than just a drone. It's a glimpse into the future of aerial technology. Compact, powerful, and budget-friendly, it's designed for anyone who wants to take their creativity to new heights. Whether you're a professional filmmaker, a traveler, or a hobbyist, this drone has something for everyone. So, are you ready to elevate your drone game? If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell so you don't miss any updates on the DJI Flip and other exciting tech. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, happy flying!